Hi, David Allen here with Sales Channel International. I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft Teams for our go-to-market workshops. So first, you're going to go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And if you notice right here, I have Microsoft Teams, and I already have guest access set to on. If that's set to on, that's great, we can move forward. But if it's not set to on, you're going to have to click Manage Teams and manage guest access in the Teams Admin Center. Click that. And you'll see I have guest access on as was indicated, but if that's off, you'll need to turn it on for the duration of the go-to-market workshop, but make sure to turn it back off when the workshops have concluded. Now that that's on, we can go to Microsoft Teams, and I'm going to create a team, a new one, build from scratch, private, GTM, workshop, create. Nice work. All right, I will skip this. You can add people to the team later. And now you'll notice that the general channel is already there. We'll be using that, but we'll also need 2 more channels. So I'm going to add a channel, and I'm going to write breakout room 1. And breakout room. And we'll use these 2 channels as breakout rooms during the session. Since guest access is now on, you can go to the GTM workshop, you can click add member, and now you can add the email addresses for both David Edney and me, and we'll be invited to join just that team in your Microsoft Teams platform, and we can use your platform. And then, as mentioned, when it's all over, you can turn off guest access and delete those workshops if you want, or leave them there for record. If you have any problems, feel free to email David Edney or myself, and we'll do our best to help you out with getting everything set up.